If you've ever felt that burning, tingling, or numbness in your hands and feet, you know how disruptive it can be. It's not just uncomfortable. It can affect your sleep, your mobility, your whole quality of life. What a lot of people don't realize is that certain oils, ones you might already have in your kitchen or bathroom cabinet, have been studied for their potential role in supporting nerve health. And in this video, we're going over 8 of them. Let's get into it. Kicking off our countdown at number 8, castor oil. Now, this one often gets written off as something your grandmother used to swear by, but stick with me, because there's actual science here that most people don't know about. The main active compound is ricinoleic acid, which makes up around 90% of castor oil's fatty acid content. It's been studied for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, particularly when applied topically. Some people use warm castor oil packs on areas of discomfort, and the combination of heat and ricinoleic acid penetration may help with localized inflammation around the nerves. For nerve health, you're using it externally, massaged into the affected area or applied as a warm compress. Taking it orally won't help here, and it's actually a strong laxative in that form, so stay with topical use only. Keep it away from broken skin too. The research is mostly smaller studies, but it's inexpensive, low risk when used correctly, and a lot of people find genuine relief from it. Coming in at number 7, peppermint oil. This one surprises people, but there's solid reasoning behind it. The menthol in peppermint oil activates something called TRPM8 receptors in your skin. These are cold-sensitive receptors that, when triggered, create a cooling sensation and may temporarily ease discomfort. For people experiencing burning or heat sensations in their feet and hands, that cooling effect can bring real short-term relief. It's used topically, always diluted in a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba first, never straight on the skin, and keep it well away from your eyes. Now, peppermint oil won't address anything happening deeper in the nerve tissue. But as a day-to-day comfort option while you're working on other things, it's backed by enough evidence to be worth knowing about. Number 6 is lavender oil. And yes, you probably already use this for something, but its connection to nerve health goes deeper than most people realize. Here's the thing. Chronic nerve discomfort is exhausting. It disrupts sleep, raises stress levels, and both of those things, poor sleep and elevated stress, have their own negative effects on your nervous system over time. It becomes a cycle that feeds itself. Lavender oil is one of the most well-researched essential oils for anxiety and sleep quality. Multiple clinical studies have found it can meaningfully reduce anxiety scores and improve sleep duration when inhaled or applied topically. And when your sleep improves and your stress comes down, your body has far more capacity to rest, repair, and regulate. For anyone who's been lying awake at 3 a.m. with burning feet, that's not a small thing. A few drops in a diffuser at night or diluted in a carrier oil on your wrists or temples could make a difference. We're halfway through our countdown, and this is where things start getting really interesting. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can be the first to know when our next video comes up. Now at number 5, black seed oil. It comes from Nigella sativa, a plant with a long history in traditional medicine across South Asia and the Middle East. Its active compound, thymoquinone, has shown antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties in multiple studies. And more recently, researchers have been looking at its potential neuroprotective effects, specifically whether it may help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress. The science is still in relatively early stages, but the early results are genuinely promising. And given that oxidative stress is one of the factors researchers believe contributes to nerve damage over time, something that may help buffer against that is worth paying attention to. Black seed oil has a strong, slightly bitter flavor. Most people take it in capsule form or mix a teaspoon into honey to take the edge off. Start with a small amount. It's potent. And if you're on any medication, especially anything processed by the liver, check with your doctor first. Number 4 is coconut oil. And I want to be upfront about this one because it comes with some debate. Yes, it's high in saturated fat. That's a legitimate concern, and if you're eating it by the spoonful every day, you should be talking to your doctor about your overall diet. But the reason it makes our top 4 is its medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs. MCTs are processed differently by your body compared to most fats. They go directly to the liver and get converted into ketones, which your brain and nervous system can use as an alternative energy source. Some researchers are actively investigating whether this ketone fuel could be beneficial for neurological health. It's an area of genuine scientific interest right now. Used in moderation, coconut oil gives you those MCT benefits without going overboard on saturated fat. And if you want the MCT benefit without the controversy, you can just use straight MCT oil. Add it to your coffee or a smoothie, and you're getting the same thing in a cleaner form. We're in the top 3 now, and at number 3, extra virgin olive oil. Don't let its familiarity fool you. This is one of the most anti-inflammatory foods we know of, full stop. The compound behind a lot of it is oleocanthal, which works along a similar anti-inflammatory pathway to ibuprofen. That doesn't make it a painkiller, but consistently consuming something that helps keep systemic inflammation in check may create a better environment for your nerves to function well over time. And the longer-term research is compelling. Studies on the Mediterranean diet, which is built heavily around extra virgin olive oil, have found associations with better neurological outcomes, lower rates of cognitive decline, and improved nerve-related health markers. The key is extra virgin and cold-pressed. Regular olive oil is processed in ways that strip out many of these beneficial compounds. And one more thing, don't cook with it at high heat. High temperatures break down the very compounds that make it beneficial, so use it at low to medium heat or just drizzle it cold over food. 2 more to go, and the top 2 are the ones with the strongest direct evidence for nerve health specifically. At number 2, evening primrose oil. And this one deserves more attention than it typically gets in mainstream health conversations. It's extracted from the seeds of the evening primrose plant. And what makes it stand out is its high concentration of gamma-linolenic acid, GLA. GLA is an omega-6 fatty acid that your body uses to help regulate inflammation. And specifically for nerve health, there's been research, including studies focused on people with diabetic neuropathy, suggesting that GLA supplementation may help support nerve function over time. The studies aren't massive in scale, but the findings are consistent enough that nutritionists who specialize in nerve health tend to recommend it fairly regularly. It's one of the few oils on this list where the research is directly targeting nerves, not just general inflammation. It's most commonly taken as a capsule supplement. But before you start it, mention it to your GP, particularly if you're on blood thinners, as it can interact. And now, the one most nutritionists put at the top of the list when it comes to nerve health support. Number 1. Fish oil. And if you're surprised it's not something more exotic, that's actually the point. Sometimes the most researched option is the most researched for good reason. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish oil, DHA and EPA, are foundational to how your nervous system is built and maintained. DHA in particular is a major structural component of nerve cell membranes, and it's a key building block of the myelin sheath, the protective coating that wraps around your nerves and helps signals travel efficiently. When DHA levels are low, some researchers believe nerve signal transmission may be affected, and the evidence supporting omega-3 supplementation for neurological health is extensive. We're talking decades of research across thousands of participants. For nerve health specifically, look for a supplement with at least 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per serving. Go for one that's been third-party tested for purity. Some cheaper fish oils contain traces of heavy metals, which you definitely don't want. And if you're vegetarian or vegan, algae-based omega-3 gives you the same DHA and EPA without the fish. It's actually where the fish get it from in the first place. If you're only going to add one thing from this list, this is the one to start with. So that's our countdown. 8 oils ranked by how well supported they are for nerve health, from castor oil at 8 all the way up to fish oil at number 1. A quick reminder, none of this replaces medical advice. If you're dealing with persistent nerve discomfort, that conversation needs to happen with your doctor or a registered nutritionist. What we share here is meant to give you a foundation for that conversation, not skip it. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. We publish new videos every week on natural health and nutrition. And leave a comment. Have you tried any of these oils? Which one are you most curious about? Share your thoughts with our community. Before you go, please don't forget to check out our merch or send a super thanks. Every bit helps. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.